ki Seng batre yiki kam Jngohkai ha Meghalaya hane ka janmit kila Pynrem jur yak Seng New Trap National Youth Front HNYF halor ka Khang bat Pynrem yabaro ki Jyngkai Pyrthei ki batmu ban let Jyngkai shikijika ba pher ki badan hasora bat ka thain dau ki layo jingtip ban nadu kapor men step jokar phnutrik naitung ki khot ki HNYF kila bat Pynrem lut yabaro ki kali tourist ki bawan na shabar ka Jylla ha tengar east ka sehil kini kiseng ki kethup ki Tourism Operator Association of Meghalaya Federation Shillong Hotel Meghalaya Rural Tourism Forum Tour Guide Operator Association of Meghalaya Meghalaya Tourist Development Forum Tour Guide Association of Meghalaya Badkui Kuide habai kren maiklar pathai kubor president ke TO AM uba banlum bla uloong pakaseng ka satho shu menteri ketrat Jngohkai ban batai halor kene ke jingjia pas ngausi bat bandawa ban lei dak batenge ikibru kiba persyang ban pensniu yakar khana Jngohkai hapo kene ke Jylla.
As tourism stakeholders of Meghalaya, we have so many associations here, tourism stakeholders associations. We have combined together. We've come here because of one reason. All are aware that what happened today was, in fact, so to say, a very sad day for us in the tourism industry in Meghalaya, where we have seen that tourists coming to our state to visit the tourism spots, beautiful tourism spots in our state, especially in Sora and other Dauki area, they were turned back. It is a big surprise for them, as it was also a big surprise for us, because for the first time we have seen tourists were sent away. It took us many years as tourism stakeholders in the state to build up this tourism footfall that we are having today, what we are enjoying today. Many years we had to even woo tourists to come to this place. We have to tell them, we have to explain to them, please come and visit our state. It is a beautiful state, although the infrastructure is not up to the mark, but please bear with us, come to us, to our place, so that we can build the livelihoods out of tourism, and we can build this tourism industry, whatever you have seen today, because of that kind of what you call the call from us tourism stakeholders for the tourist people to visit this state. What all the efforts that we have put up for so many years has come to as naught. I say not because whatever happens today, you have seen within the next few minutes and hours, first few hours, that incident where the tourists were turned out by an NGO there in Tengar has spread across the country and far and wide, maybe outside also, because of social media and many calls. We as tourism stakeholders, we got so many calls from all over the place, and people will say that what it is an unfortunate incident that happened in your state. We never expect that a Meghalaya, a state which is really known today as one of the top tourism state in the country, such thing can happen in this state. So this is one thing which we felt bad, and that's what we felt that we should come together and we should, as one voice. We have so much bad feelings today. All of us, our hearts were pained with what happened. So we came here, and we have so many associations here. I've come here. I'm president of the Tour Operator Association of Meghalaya, and we have the president of Federation of Shillong Hotels here. We have from president of Meghalaya Rural Tourism Development Forum. We have also Meghalaya giving us the tourism knowledge, whatever required as stakeholders. They are our knowledge partners. They also felt the pain and they came today here. And we have various other bodies, other forums and other associations which are directly, indirectly dealing with tourism. And we all with one voice we came today, and we want to show to the world and to want to tell everybody that we are very unhappy with what happened today. And we have come here to see that our interests, our tourism business in the state is being protected. And at the same time also, we want to see that all those who are in the tourism business and those who are not in the tourism in their business but enjoying the fruits of tourism, that they also they feel the pain today. And I feel that one thing we would like to say and apologize to all the tourists that have been affected today from our side, from the tourism stakeholder side, and that they should not feel what happened today is unfortunate from our side. But then we would like to welcome them back to Meghalaya, and we would like to see that all the tourists comes to the Meghalaya state, because we need them, and we would like to see that we keep on growing in this tourism sector, because this is one of the sector that gives a maximum employment to the state. We have so many youths here which are unemployed, but tourism is one industry, so to say, in the industry which is really giving benefit to all those who are affected by unemployment. So with these few words, I would like
organization of Meghalaya Rural Tourism Forum. Nya Shang ni krui mentasi ban pawe ke jing so kundip to khra mo ke jing so si ro alo ke jing jam le ba umpoi to khar in community ba ha kan ke jing so to nat ngane ke yo tourism ko jam tala bun snem ya ba baro ni so tu ikata ke jing so to nat long halor ke jing to ba ngiyo an kan ke kam livelihood kam ka jam ko ba kibri ki yo ba kan ke kam shakai Pyrthei Pynrem ke jing ja hne ka long bathe umbuja ya borok khati betre hne kam but ila ban pawe ka jing persya wajur wedi bat ka jingle jong ka to seng ba syukur thlep untum step syubat igi bristanti kosong si kalong ba bankong pun i ka jinglong khlep akor ka jingle joki la jutep khamtam ka to jing ja ka de hakrab dok se sora ka pauna nam ta jingdon akor Pynrem ke jingle ni tu kiseng kan pau ke jinglong klem akor pat ka ai ke image bas new ndai shu tang ya ka sora ndai ka state por koi sia ka Pyrthei sabar kumala ong dai ba ban lum ban tei ya ni ka yo tourism kum dai bos simpor da kisnam mangi batrei kan ka kam so thu ba ndai magic musule magic bakan long ni we have hop up we have slop but kumba kalong kum ni mtahi yang nuat pan ong ba ka jing trace tom gitu kibri ba jalan pentah ne ka kap ada kilong di Seng hotel ada kibri ki ba bu ya ka kanja kibri ki banyak kali kibri be alam guide semua maksudnya kan ka kam sakai Pyrthei minta ka ikam ki local jungi it's all about local livelihood ban yele akai kumni ba kan kam kumni long jing ja sosial hot ki issue ba fair bidon ki Seng balang ki dalam kejong ke hok dan ris ki concern joki lamba kadang ke rukom ban sube ubri seteng ti gemot kemau ya bisa sisian kapan isi dor ya ke jinglong jongi ba ka reflect ya ke dor ba sniu sya ki be pak ki ta jong Pyrthei ha ga jok social media ta pher tu tiap tang de second kubol apoi keleng Pyrthei ya ka buram ka bangiri boros kata ngi chun spoil ta ka po clip mat mod de ke bas sniu ha da kerpat nang ni sakhbat ndai tang ya to seng biki seng ru ba pile aku begini kam da perkhat sangi perkhat jengai ba ka repercussion ka diga ba jengai ngayo kol keleng menta nagi time no kendong jengi bagi beri la pun pa ke jing bitar awi le kan ke jing jam le si de hok bakin bitar nomor la ta jak bo joki ham tam ha kan ke juk ka ba mo ka bangia perkhat man pai kham bha se ki kam ki bolong sustainable la ong to nya sange no ti mau to nya sange no ti mau shun ndai shudon bok wa glei ru dai terpang ya ni ri khasi juni bo ai ko wi gajin khu bo ai ki makan no bejaka ka bi tena de way ni resource ba ibri gila ban sim ko boy ni ban kamai kendong jak bo tin ndai so thu kan ba ha ba ibri gila le sitom kum ni nga keren hakabe de bat ibri ba invest ha kino kendo de kino kendo ban simlun silak arlak de kam de kam baso bapligan rat kila sim lagi lun ban seng ki homestay ban seng ki dukan yoki de kumkin ki jingja mut pen seir kam aja ko yoki tinak tadaw da kapat banang ni sakhmat kumong ki issue gini ki seng balang ki don lagi jong ki hak ban pun pau ki jing e jong ki le ha kom ko badai berbor kadang berkom balik kata mana sif yang ngono kejing ya kan ngono kejing kwa amde ban shu de jubor tentu de berbor hige de lembag kejing keren kejing sutu bat ka jing ya pun baik nak ba ya sutu lang ibe ni em ha kan ni jaka ka ba bat di perhat mengi la pan im long isolated tin mau hi ba bor mangi ru dan hable sabe mane phone ki khon jongaru pule sabar wangi song sier marba yo sakta seyangi ru ki kasih ki basa sabar ka Jylla me halia nak daw bunga ong hi insist pa nang ni sakmat le daga jing sotu ba le daga jing kit kli ba ke ba jang ni kala ban tak kala yong kerto kala segi student sungi ki basa sabar ka Jylla ka